everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to easily create a bidirectional bar chart with Kutools for Excel. If the previous method is too fuzzy and time consuming for you to handle, here we highly recommend the bidirectional bar chart utility of Kutools for Excel for you. With this utility, you can easily create a bidirectional bar chart in Excel with several clicks only. Click the Kutools tab. In the editing group, click the charts drop down list, and in the charts category, uh, from the category comparison, select bidirectional bar chart. In the popping up bidirectional bar chart dialog box, please specify different ranges in corresponding boxes. Click this button to uh, select axis label range. Press enter. Click this button to select series 1. Press the enter key. Click this button to select series 2. Press the enter key. And finally click the OK button. Then a bidirectional bar chart is complete, as you can see. And you can select the whole data range firstly and then apply this feature. Click in the charts drop down list from the editing group. In the category comparison, select bidirectional bar chart, and then ranges will be recognized and displayed in corresponding boxes automatically. Click the OK button. As you can see, the uh, bidirectional bar chart uh, is shown here. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.